my name is Sid Marshall, and this is how to make a steak quesadilla. A basic quesadilla is done with a flour tortilla, cheese, and then filled with whatever ingredients you'd like, then put onto the stove and fried to crisp it up. We're going to take some cheddar cheese and put over half of the tortilla on one side. Then we'll sprinkle on some of our steak that we've chopped up. Spread it across that half moon. Then we fold it, and it's ready for the stove. Now lay it down on one side, kind of press, use our spatula. What we're looking to do is to crisp up the outside. Then we're going to cut it into wedges, cut down the center, give it a little dollop of sour cream, a little pico de gallo on each piece. And there you have it, how to make a steak quesadilla.